Understanding transformer architecture in 2 minutes. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT, translation models, and modern AI understand language so well? The answer is transformer architecture. Let's break this down quickly. This model has two main parts: encoder, decoder. Step 1, input embedding. We start with input embedding. Every word in a sentence is converted into numbers called vectors. Because models don't understand text, they understand numbers. We also add positional encoding, so the model understands word order. Step 2, encoder block. Now the input goes into the encoder. Inside the encoder, there are two main components: multi-head attention, feed-forward network. Multi-head attention helps the model focus on important words in the sentence. For example, the animal didn't cross the street because it was tired. What does it refer to? The model uses attention to understand relationship between words. Then comes add and norm. This includes residual connection to preserve information, layer normalization to stabilize learning. After that, the data goes into a feed forward network to refine understanding. And again, add and norm. This encoder block is repeated multiple times to build deep contextual understanding. Step 3, decoder block. Now comes the decoder. The decoder has three main components: masked multi-head attention, encoder decoder attention, feed forward network. Mask attention means the model can only see previous words, not future words. This is crucial for text generation. Then it looks at the encoder output to understand full context. Again, add and norm after every layer. Final step, linear plus softmax. At the top, the linear layer converts outputs into scores. Softmax converts those scores into probabilities. And the model predicts the next word. Closing. That's how transformers power ChatGPT, machine translation, BERT, and almost every modern NLP system. And remember, attention is all you need. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more such AI and data engineering videos. And check out Inside Edge Labs for deep tech learning, career guidance, and practical AI concepts. See you in the next one.